Warning, do not turn off your TV screens. This broadcast is being brought to you by the United Kingdom. By the time of 11:45 p.m., there are various reports of violent people outside the streets, biting and scratching people who come in contact with them. It has also been found that the special drink were tampered with. If you have opted into the index program and received your daily special drink, do not consume it by any means. If it was drinked to you today or yesterday, if you or anyone you know has consumed the drink, you'll need to kill them by any means. Anyone who has consumed the drink shows signs of extreme aggression and dismemberment. If you have rationed your food or have homegrown, be sure to spare every little piece until this is all over. Thank you and may God help us. This message was brought to you by the United Kingdom.